बैठेंगे इंशाल्लाह ताला कभी। लिखें रेडी, इकट्ठे भाई ये बस हो गया ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਤਕਾਬ। लिखें जी रेडी, 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट है। लिखें द प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट मे कोमा इफ़ इट इज़ if in its opinion the public interest so requires comma revoke a license in any of the following case, namely where the licensee in the opinion of the provincial government comma makes willful and unreasonable prolonged default in doing anything required of him by or under this act, where the licensee breaks any of the terms or conditions of his license, the breach of which is expressly declared by such license to render it liable to revocation, where the licensee fails comma within the period fixed in this behalf by his license or any longer period, with the provincial government may substitute therefore by order under subsection 3 comma clause b comma and before exercising any of the powers conferred on him thereby in relation to the execution of work comma to show comma to the satisfaction of the provincial government comma that he is in a position fully and efficiently to discharge the duties and obligations imposed on him by his license comma or to make the deposit or furnish the security required by him comma by his license, where the licensee is comma in the opinion of the provincial government comma unable comma by reason of his insolvency comma fully and efficiently to discharge the duties and obligations imposed on him by his license full stop, where the provincial government might comma under subsection 1 revoke a license comma it may instead of revoking the license comma impose on the licensee a penalty comma not exceeding 10,000 rupees comma and permit the license to remain in force subject to such further terms and conditions as it thinks fit to impose comma and any further terms and conditions so imposed shall be binding upon comma and be observed by the licensee comma and shall be of like force and effect as if they were contained in the license full stop paragraph, where the provincial government revokes under subsection 4 comma subsection 1 comma the license of a licensee comma not being a local authority comma the following provisions shall have effect comma namely the provincial government shall serve a notice of the revocation upon the licensee comma and comma where the whole of the area of supply is included in the area for which an authority is constituted comma upon that local authority also comma and shall in the notice fix a date on which the revocation shall take effect and on and with effect from that date, comma, all the powers and liabilities of, comma, on which the revocation shall take effect, comma, and on and with effect from the date, comma, all the powers and liabilities of the licensee under this act shall absolutely cease and determine, semicolon, where a notice has been served on a local authority under clause A, comma, the local authority may, comma, within 3 months after the service of the notice, comma, and with the written consent of the provincial government, comma, by notice in writing, require the licensee to sell, comma, and thereupon the licensee shall, comma, sell the undertaking to the local authority on payment of the value of all lands, comma, buildings, comma, works, comma, materials and plant of the licensee suitable to, comma, and used by him for the purposes of the undertaking, comma, other than a generating station declared by the license not to form part of the undertaking for the purpose of purchase, comma, such value to be, comma, in case of difference or dispute, comma, determined by arbitration, full stop.